I, Shri Sanbor Shullai, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Nigeria, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Sanbor Shullai, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Nigeria, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
UMLA ke Shillong South ubak Sanbor Shullai haka afnyo tarik unaitung ulawam Smai kum Myntri bertemai jong ke Sorkar Mda Democratic Alliance. Ya ubak Sanbor Shullai lapan bam Smai daulat ke jela usia tapal malik haka jingdon dekat Myntri rambak ke jela ukanat kisang mal lembat kiwe ke Myntri jong Sorkar MTA. Habakran bagi la pathai kubor Myntri rambak ke jela ukanat sama ulayatu bakan ni ke jing bam Smai jong ubak Sanbor Shullai ke ke jingi bujili Myntri bat ubak elek bat ke ru ke jing pinbek jong ke sang BJP ke baki ni ke arbut ke MLA Mikman.
Basically, we have been maintaining on in the MGA that different political parties have different ministers and number of ministers based on the number of MLAs that they have. Now, in the case of HSPDP and the NPP, last time there was a change in the ministers, because there was an agreement among the MLAs at that point in time that they will share 2.5 years, and this was with the knowledge of the state presidents. I maintained even that time that the party will have to take a call on this, and accordingly the HSPDP and the NPP also communicated to me saying that yes, that agreement should be honored. At that point in time, the president of the BJP had changed, and it was not Mr. Shibun Lingdo, who was there during the meeting that we had during the formation of the government, when Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, the now Chief Minister of Assam, and our Tourism Minister then, what is his name? Anyway, the Tourism Minister of Mr. Alphonse was there, then Mr. Nalin Kohli, and the then President Mr. Shibun Lingdo was there, and there was a discussion among the MLAs, and we were also there, and some sense came up that there should be sharing in the ministership. So therefore, when the 2.5 years was over, so BJP also had a discussion and a meeting in this, but there was no clear information that came to me on this in this regards. But just recently, I have received a letter from the president of the BJP, Shri Ernest Mauri, mentioning about that meeting and mentioning that that particular agreement and understanding should be honored, and therefore, based on that, he has recommended that Shri Sanbor Shullai should be taken into the cabinet, and based on the letter of the president of the BJP, this has been done.